Here's how to install FiveM in 2026 and beyond for GTA 5. Let's get to it. So before we begin, if you came looking for installing FiveM on GTA 5 Enhanced, I hate to break it to you, but it's still not possible. I did some digging on the forums, and I did found out that they had an update post that they were going to support GTA 5 Enhanced in future, but that was months ago, and there's still no news on it. And as Rockstar acquired and bought FiveM, it's possible that it's going to be like GTA 6 type coming soon. Let's get to the part of installing FiveM on GTA 5 Legacy. So what you need to do is go over to fivem.net, and on it, you need to press on this download client. You need to read these terms of service and then click on sure. It's going to download this fivem.exe over here. Now open it up. It's going to verify the game content, and then it's going to say needs to update the local game data. Let's press on yes. If while updating FiveM, it says that you need to get the game directory, what you need to do is go over to your game directory, the GTA 5 game directory. So in order to find it, I'm going to show you all three of these default game locations, but you can do it manually as well. Go over to Epic Games first, go over to library on the left hand side, then scroll down, find your game like this. This is the premium edition, this is the legacy one. Right click, go to manage, or you can also click on these three dots and click on manage. Now here in installation on the left hand side, you're going to find this browser icon. You can click on it to open install location. For Steam, go over to library on top, and then on the left hand side, find the game. So it could be GTA 5 Legacy over here, right click it, manage, and here you're going to find browse local files. Click on it in order to open the local files for GTA 5. If you bought the game from Rockstar Games directly, then you need to open up the Rockstar Games launcher. On the top right, you need to open up settings. Then on the left hand side, you're going to find under launcher settings. Over here, you're going to find my installed games. You need to click on GTA 5 Legacy. Then on the right hand side, you're going to find the installation location. You can open it up. That's how you can find and browse the local files for GTA 5 from all three of these platforms. Once you got the location, just right click on top in the URL and copy address. And in that pop-up of FiveM, you need to paste it. So just paste it in the URL section and click next. And you need to be sure that in your GTA 5 file folder location, it should have this GTA5.exe, not GTA5 enhanced.exe. Once done, it's going to update the game like I showed you before. And then you can press on this FiveM. It's going to start automatically. It's going to connect to Rockstar Games services, and it's going to start the FiveM like this. Next up, when it opens up, it's going to give you this terms of service. You need to scroll down and then click on I accept. Now it's going to ask you to link your account. You can link it with cfx.re. This only allows you to upvote servers and participate in server reviews. If you do not want to do that, just click on skip and don't ask again. Now there's one more thing. If you don't like the audio, the main menu audio, you can go over here on the top right, click on settings, and then click over to interface. And here on the right hand side, you're going to find the main menu audio. This was currently enabled. You can just click on it to disable it. It's going to disable the background music while you're idle in main menu. That's it. Now you can click on display on the top right, and you're going to find all these servers. You can connect to it. And yeah, that's it. That's how to install FiveM in 2026 and beyond for GTA 5 Legacy. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more GTA 5, FiveM, or other gaming related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.